All right, so if you drive a Volkswagen, you might see that sign there, that little sort of alarm, and you might also get a notification when you turn your ignition on that your tire is flat or whatever. There's loss of pressure on one of the tires or all of the tires or whatever. Once you've gone and actually filled the tires up with air, the pressure is okay, you might want to then reset that. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. There it is. Loss of pressure in rear left tire. I've actually already filled my tires now, so I'm going to go and fix that setting in the settings. So you fire up your display like so. Go to car. You can see the reports there. You can see all the tires are highlighted. Okay, if you click the reports, it tells you what the reports are. Okay, back. Then you go to settings here. Okay, tires. Okay, and then you go set. And it tells you, do all 4 tire pressures match the required values? Mine is yes. Confirm. Okay, that's done. Now if you look at there, it's gone. Okay.